In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix "Sorry, something went wrong, please try again" on Meta AI app. If this video helps, please like and subscribe. Now, most likely if you are getting this error, it's because Meta AI has experienced an internal server error or your app has experienced a glitch that needs to be fixed. In any of these cases, let's see how you can fix it. First, go to your settings on your smartphone, and from settings, look for apps. Under apps, look for manage apps or all apps. Now this will list all the apps you have on your phone. From the list, search for Meta AI, and if you tap on it, now here you go to for stop app and okay to stop any background activities that might be causing this. Then go to clear data and clear all data and okay. Now restart your smartphone and see if the error has gone. However, if the error still persists, then you want to check through Google Play Store or App Store if you have any update. Update your app to the latest version, and once you are done, now your app should be running without any issue. But even after trying all this, if you still have an issue, then check it and see that you are not using any VPN or any proxy or security app that you recently installed on your phone. If they are turned on, try turning them off or uninstalling the apps, and this should fix your problem. There is a possibility even after doing this, your app still fails. If that is the case, then most likely this is an indication that Meta AI has experienced an internal server error, which should be fixed after some few minutes. So check back after some few minutes and try now log into your Meta AI app, and everything should be okay. So let me know which of this was able to fix your issue. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.